Changed out this ice maker, one that I had, the new one, and just changed out this ice maker with a new one. But you can hear what's going on. Is here's the old one plugged back in, and I rotated the arm over. What I was doing was making ice real slow. I was eventually making them, but what's happening is it's having a real struggle to push it out, and I believe this kind of heats up the tray, and it's probably that the heater is not working that well in order to separate it, so probably why this one was working so slow. But you changed it out, it's done deal. Sometimes these aren't worth messing around with. They're a little spendy, but it is what it is. It works, but it's slow. I think this is what's going on, is it's struggling. Now, what I can do is add some water into the tray to help it along. But yeah, it should be popping out of there kind of on its own, pushing the ice out, and it's struggling. So here I'm even trying to push it and help it along, and it can't even do it. So I forget what you call the name of it. I'll try to look it up and see if I can. It's basically a heater in the tray. It heats it up to release it from the mold, from the harvester, and turn it out. Even with the water added in there, you can't push it. That's what's going on. So changing it out was the right way to go. And here it is about 30 minutes later. Thing is still going. Still struggling. And it can't push it out. That's what happened on this one. New ice maker. I almost remembered the name of what the heater's called, right? Okay, on some ice makers you can actually replace the heater mold, and the heater is internal to the mold. This is something I'll need to look into more in the future. I don't think I can replace this one. I could be wrong about that. I'm gonna have to research that a bit more, and whether it's actually cost effective. You know, I think in the long run, it's probably I'm just better off with what I did, is just replacing the ice maker on this one. But you know, there may be a way to save some money there. I'll try to look into it. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, I'll try to put links in the descriptions for new ice makers. And I'm pretty sure I have videos on how to change out the ice maker. I'll have to check that too. If I don't have that, then I'll have to follow this up with a video on how to replace the ice maker. It's not too difficult, but it's got its own little procedure.